Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use Endnote to cite your research work. Just for example, I am going to cite in this sentence. So for this, go to insert. Please, for this you already have to install Endnote. Okay, I have installed my Endnote. Endnote 20 is over here. If Word document it's showing in Note 20 like this, then your InNote has been already installed. If not, please install InNote. I have put a video about how to install InNote in my previous in my YouTube channel. You can use that one, this video. I have already put the link of that video in description section. So yes, go to insert and and go to EndNote, sorry, and insert citation. Okay, here is option. I'm going to insert citation. I'm going to click on insert citation. So for this, it says that we have to select a reference library. So we have to make reference library for this. So here is option to create reference library. Okay, it automatically pop up this screen. So here we have to create a new library. Select create a new library. I'm going to save it to desktop, my Endnote L. So I'm going to save it on desktop. So I have create my library. So this is my library. Now I'm going to import a reference from Google Scholar. Please open your Chrome, type Google Scholar over here, search it, and go to Google Scholar. I'm going to click it, West City Watershed. So here are several articles. So I have to put a relevant article to cite my sentence. So I think here is some of the information about Wayseti. Wayseti is one of the major tributary canal rivers. So this article is might be suitable for my sentence. So I'm going to cite. Okay. So here is import into EndNote. It is already arranged in settings so that here is an option for import into EndNote. But in case of setting is not arranged, then this import into EndNote option will not be pop up on your screen. So for this, if it is not pop up on your screen, go to here. Okay, here is setting, click here, and after that here is option for don't show any citation import links. So if by chance it is ticked on don't show any citation import link, then you have to change it into show link to import citation. Okay, by this way. So here are several options. By text, EndNote, refman, you have to click on EndNote. Okay, so after that save it. So if you save it by this way, then this option will be automatically pop up, and after that you have to click there. So here is Scholar. It was downloaded. Now I'm going to open it. It takes some time. Sometimes when I open it, it already update in my library. but sometimes it asks to select library. Okay, if it is asked to select library, then you have to select your library from desktop. So it has been already updated. Just for example, I am again going to click it. So it has been updating the tom list. That means this reference has been already updated in my library. So I'm going to insert it. So here is, first of all, you have to select Endnote 20, and after that you have to insert citation. Okay, so what happened that if, okay, uh, references are not shown in this interface, then you have to select suitable author by its first name. Just for example, the first name here is B, so you have to click B and you have to find it. So after doing this, the required references will be pop up on your interface, and you have to insert it by this way. So by this way you can easily enter references on your research work by this way. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so